Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, so today we'll learn about the conics terminology, and the previous part we already have seen in the previous practical. Okay, so now conics terminology. So I am going to draw one axis, that means a center line, okay, over which a directrix is being drawn like this. Directrix is actually a vertical axis. It is cut the horizontal axis at point D, capital D. Okay, now whatever the conics sections, conics curves which we have seen, that is parabola, hyperbola, ellipse, that are like, for example, if this is the point where exactly the curve is cutting to the horizontal axis, then it is called as vertex point. So it's V point. For particularly if I am drawing any ellipse like this, okay, so this V is called as vertex point for ellipse particularly. Okay, so we can name this as ellipse. Okay, and the eccentricity is less than 1. Okay, now next curve, if I want to say it as parabola, then that curve should be like this and passing through the point which is V again. But this curve we could see this, say this as parabola, and the eccentricity for this particular curve is E is equal to 1, exactly same, right? And then if I want to show you hyperbola, then that curve could be like this. So it made somewhere at infinity. So this is called as hyperbola. Okay, and its eccentricity is greater than 1. Okay, and this is also another vertex point. Okay, so here I am enlisting the points. Okay, so D is directrix, then V is vertex point, then axis, this horizontal is called as axis, and another point as focus. Focus is actually the fixed point which is F1 and F2. So from this center, this is F1 and here it is F2. I'll tell you what is exactly F1 and F2 are in while we are drawing eccentricity. Okay, so now this is fixed point, focus. Okay, and eccentricity, the most important. Okay, eccentricity here. Okay, I'll write it here. Eccentricity. So the formula for eccentricity is distance of a point from focus to the distance of a point from directrix. So exactly I'll show you what that distance is. So here from D to V, D is focus. So this distance. So from D to F1 and D to F2 are the eccentricities. These are actually focus point, from focus point to directrix. It is the distance. Okay, so generally we could say this as dF1 upon dC. Okay, so it is eccentricity E. Here we could say eccentricity as E. Okay, so this is about the conics terminology, the basics of conics. Okay, so further how to draw ellipse. First is ellipse. So we will see ellipse in the next video. Okay, how to draw with there are two methods actually. We will see how to draw ellipse with two of other methods. Okay, bye.